It's really late. What time is it?
It's 12:19.
It's 12:19. And I'm packing. The energy's depleting. I feel like it's not gonna get back up until we get to the thing, but welcome to the video. It's gonna be a pack with me, and I'm really not gonna talk that much because I just gotta get to it. But y'all can watch me pack though. Should I do a little haul? At TJ Maxx, I got a little pillow. I got an AirPod case because I got some new AirPods, and I bought me shorts that we gonna pack. I got a pajama set. This is kind of like ghetto, but it's okay. I just don't really have that much time, but I still wanted to kind of give y'all a video. Do it be weird when y'all watch me talk to my camera?
No.
Okay.
You talk to me, your camera, your TV.
Oh. At Ross, I found this Adidas shirt. And I got a cute little, this shirt at Ross. We're gonna be packing all of this stuff. Well, most of it. All right, let's get into it, y'all. Oh wait, what happened to, be careful please. Please don't fall and break your ankle before the trip back. That would not be a good look. At Target, we got a whole bunch of travel thingies. We got these, deodorant, travel everything. Oh, I got me another SD card because we gotta keep the footage rolling back. Oh, and I got me some AirPods at Target today because I needed some because mine's broke. So long story short, they're just no good. So I just got me some new ones. So yeah, that's at Target. And then my mama got me a whole bunch of travel stuff at Target too. It's just,
You got extra shoes?
it's a lot, babe. Okay, watch me pack. I'm done talking to y'all. That sounds so rude. Like, I mean that in like the nicest way I could possibly put it. I just gotta get to it, y'all, because it's 12. We gotta be at the airport. We gotta be at the thing leaves at 6 o'clock, but we gotta be at the airport way earlier than 6. So we finna be leaving because we coming from Milwaukee to Chicago driving first. So yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna pack. Y'all don't care. Y'all don't need the particulars. This is a whole box of Shein clothes that I gotta look through and pack. These are more Shein clothes. It's just a hot mess. That's gonna be my carry-on. My little LV bag is gonna be my carry-on. But yeah, this is what we're working with right now for packing. So it's a lot. I got a haul coming on this stuff soon.
Okay. Is such a cancer. Oh my god.
I think this is gonna be my airport outfit.
And I'm a fire sign, so.
Oh, I got these from Amazon.
Crocs, fall Crocs, winter Crocs.
I really do not care. We do not care.
We do not care.
Oh, Jenga! No, I'm just kidding.
Now she's trying to get her box.
Jenga!
Ooh, don't want sex.
I got this orange shirt.
Yes, you think you can fit my ones in your thing?
I gotta get all the shoes I'm going with.
These colors are so simple.
Oh my gosh, I'm just.
So what? Put outfits together instead of just putting on.
You should make outfits.
That's what I'm saying.
My sister said roll up the outfits.
That's what I've been. I'm rolling up all my clothes. I've been doing this with everything.
Hey, this ain't Chinese.
Y'all, this is crazy. I need to go get my face wash. I'm talking about the light, like the plug. What happened to the plug? I feel like it's definitely still more in here, but I just don't.